Hey guys, I'm here to briefly share my experience with the dual dashcam setup from Scenic. As you can see, the dashcam and its accessories were super nicely packaged in a very protective and luxurious box. Although it is made of plastic, it seemed to be very well constructed with a nice surface finish. It is kind of impressive that even the small rear camera is in Full HD. And the section cup mount is usually more convenient than the adhesive mounts, as it can be easily and quickly removed if you want to readjust the viewing angle. The provided adapter has two slots so that you can power two devices at the same time, including the dashcam. The front dashcam is powered by a micro USB cable, which is common nowadays and easier to find. The rear dashcam, however, uses the old USB 2 type, which isn't that easy to find. The package also included wire clips that can be used while installation, and a detailed step-by-step instruction manual, and a 32GB SD card. It is worth mentioning that the giant screen is a touch screen, and it is more convenient than the traditional buttons. The dashcam has a surprisingly good night vision. It is bright enough to see clearly far objects. The colors are realistic as well. And here is the corresponding footage from the rear dashcam. The amount of details that it provides is okay. I, however, was expecting something sharper for a $170 dashcam. It will, however, show the nearby plate numbers clearly. The rear dashcam performance was surprisingly good, and here's a sample that I like. The camera handled direct sunlight very well. No overexposure was noticed at the sunny area on the top, nor underexposure at the bottom. Most dashcams don't handle that situation very well. When joining the clips together, you won't miss any footage between those clips, but it will jump 1 second back in time instead of continuing from the last point in the previous video. The overall performance of the dashcam setup was very satisfying. Thanks for watching.